Today I pacify the rust using phosphoric acid. This lower tube showed the highest concentration of red rust. Lower tubes in this area had zinc-plated tube showing through the powder coating. I'm guessing the whole frame was zinc-plated. The phosphoric acid was first washed off with water and air blasted dry. Then some mineral turpentine was brushed over the frame and again air blasted dry. This was done to prevent flash rusting and to prepare it for painting. The black zinc paint is just from Bunnings. It's about $12 a can. It's an epoxy paint that seems to give a pretty good finish. I've used it on my 3 other quads and it seems to last well. It might not look like a freshly powder coated frame, but it's straight, it's clean and it's functional. It sets a benchmark for the rest of the restoration. I got a nice piece of kit to show for my day's work. Get out to your shed and have some fun.